Welcome to my channel, Sacred Greenery. It's been raining for 3 days and now it's stopped. An opportunity to walk into the wonders that unfold around us in nature after the rain. Where I'm visiting now, the last 3 days of rain is deeply appreciated by the plants, the trees and the soil here. I'm in the state of Valencia visiting my sister, and she has this beautiful park near her home. And I am walking among pine trees and such a large area of wild rosemary. Wow, what is happening? Well, the trees and the plants, after the rain, release essential oils. The essential oils of pine and rosemary, wow. I am receiving now a boost of nature's natural antibiotics. The compounds after the rain from the plants, of course, especially these plants, they boost the mood, reduce stress, and enhance our immune system. And the aromas I am experiencing now. After this wonderful 3 days of rain, the terpenes are more active. Terpenes are a large group of aromatic compounds produced by many plants. And of course here I'm surrounded by rosemary and pine, what a gift. And these aromatic compounds, they help neutralize harmful free radicals in the air and in my body, and they have anti-inflammatory properties. So walking through this woodland after the rain is a walk through healing frequency. And negative ions are also released after the rain. And the health benefits of the negative ions: stress reduction. Obviously, you feel more relaxed. Deeper breathing, fresh air, and a lovely, healthy, mental, joyful feeling. And after the rain, the aroma, that smell from the earth, gifted to us from the bacteria and fungi in the soil. This wonderful earth smell after the rain is just so soothing and grounding, and helps us feel more centered and in tune with our surroundings. As I sit here on the ground, grounding myself, a walk through nature, especially after the rain. It's a sacred journey. With each step, a gentle reminder of our truth that we are one with the divine.